The last few weeks, we've been hanging out on the El Dorado on our 2.5-day Stoked On fishing charter with Captain TJ and crew. Day 1 was absolutely fantastic with a solid bluefin tuna bite going all day long, and we even had some home guard yellowtail show up in the mix. Today is round 2, and the excitement continues first thing in the morning with guys going Bendo. The cool part about this adventure was we were also filming a new commercial for the Akuma Alejo's 2-speed reel, and you can only hope that the fish show up and bite. Well, that's exactly what happened, and we ended up putting the Alejos to work. Game time.
Oh, there he is. Woo! Hold on tight.
Stoked On Fishing is brought to you by Akuma Tackle, a global leader in design and manufacturing of high-quality fishing tackle, and by Grundens, delivering on 100 years of performance apparel for the avid salt and freshwater angler, and by El Dorado Sport Fishing, 85 feet of deck space for fishermen who want to have some fun in the sun and catch some fish, and by Stoked On Fishing Charters. Fish the local islands and offshore banks out west, or join us on one of our many adventures around the world, and by Suzuki Marine, offering the West Coast the ultimate choice in outboard motors. Good morning, Sean.
Good morning.
Day 2.
Day 2.
And this is our 3rd fish hooked?
4th. When you were gone, had another fish come and chew through again. So far this morning, 1 on the boat, 3 lost. Or no, 1 on the boat, 2 lost, 1 going.
All right, day 2. We're all a little rusty. Yesterday was a big day. Day 2. A little bit different weather conditions, that's for sure. But fish are already biting. So here we go. I need to get some coffee though, that's for darn sure. And I'm gonna head on over to my main man Butch to hook me up with some coffee.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, day 2.
Good morning, day 2. Tanner Bank, part dos. I heard you could not come up with your coffee mug. We do have loaners available.
Yes.
Here you go.
I will gladly take this coffee cup. Dave, what's going on with that fish? It's okay.
It started.
Plenty of people handed it off yesterday.
Wasn't gaining or nothing on that one for a while. Yeah, my first one was just a football. That was easy. Yeah, we put some of that super caffeinated coffee on that bait.
Oh yeah, we forgot to do that.
This guy was a good swimmer.
Was he? Okay, that's right. Oh, look at him coming up high.
He's gonna jump.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Wes, good morning. Nice job on the first fish of the day. We're starting. Can't wait to go there. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh no. It's gonna just go under everything. There you go. Voila. It's a little better grade. Yeah. Yeah. Lighter. He's coming. He's coming.
Yeah, just come down this way.
All right, better grade. There you go. Michael, get him. He's just doing some big old circles. Oh! No, he's good. He's good.
Okay.
That was weird.
He just popped around the boat. That's all.
There we go. All right. Beautiful. There you go. All right. Nice fish. Well done, Dave.
Thank you. Thank you.
Well done there, team.
Oh, the bait's still good.
El Dorado team.
Starting off day 2, buddy.
One way to wake up in the morning. One good way to wake up in the morning.
Yes, it is.
Hook up.
That is nice hook set.
Yes.
All right.
Cut him on the reel.
Another nice way to wake up in the morning. Some coffee. We found our coffee cup. Sorry, Sergio, but I like my coffee cup better. Hey, there's Captain TJ.
Good morning.
Similar spot?
Same spot as yesterday. We're once again out on the Tanner Bank. First thing in the morning, we've got 2 fish on board. We got 1 hanging here in front of us. We're amongst the fleet here. We've got about 35 to 40 boats all anchored up here around the high spot.
Going into action already. All right.
So yeah, we're just soaking baits, picking away here. Like I say, we put 2 on the boat already this morning. Got 1 more going behind us here, and you know, hopefully to fulfill our quota for the day and move on to bigger and better.
That was the plan, is to get limits.
That is the plan. The plan hopefully will be to get our limits quickly and then move down to Cortez and see if the Yellowtail are still hanging out.
Okay.
That is the tentative plan, but limits first.
Okay.
Ain't no limit to the love I got.
Everything was just fine.
Right?
Now he decided to go under the boat. No, no, he's good. He's good. He's good. He's not under the boat. Swelly. There we go. There it is. There it is. Yep. Oh yeah, he's got it. Yeah. All right. Oh, that. All right. Buenos dias, Pablo.
Buenos dias.
Buenos dias. Oh, Andrew's bit too, huh? Okay, we got 1 here. 30 pound, 40 pound.
40.
Ooh, okay.
There's your belt.
There you go. Andrew came over here, did a reset, and I turned my back for a split second, and boom, he's hooked.
He's on. Second bait in the water.
Success. A beautiful little reel. Lots of power. Getting it done. Alrighty, there he goes. Alright. Way to start the day, Pablo. Give me some, Pablo. Nice job. Whoa, 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 Ernie, whoa. Slow it down now.
Good morning, Shane.
One more time.
I'm stoked on fishing.
Yes, you are.
I am.
Lovely day today.
Beautiful day.
You just got hooked up right now, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just got hooked up right now.
All right.
Come on. Oh. Oh, I love the sound of that.
Music to my ear. Start a little bit of a chum line in game time.
A little bit. We got a little bit of bite going. We've got like 3 or 4 on board and a couple hanging here this morning, so. Oh, you're still on it. Oh, there you are.
Nowhere to go.
Good Andrew up there?
Woo, Ernie.
Whoa, baby, go, go, go.
Far away from the boat, huh? Real far. 30?
Oh, I thought you were going to get comfortable, didn't you? See ya. Oh, see you now.
See you with me on the fish.
Get him, Andrew. Get him, Andrew. Yeah. Ah, Sean is out and they go nowhere. All right, Andrew's getting us started. Come here. Damn. Let me see that reel. It's doing work. Bring it on over here.
Alejo's 5.
There it is. That thing's been doing work all trip. All right.
Sit down, sit down.
Flip, 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 flip.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Ernie has started his day.
Right away. Now time for breakfast.
Morning, John.
Morning. First bait in the water, bit.
That was like 30 seconds.
Yeah, it was literally right off the corner. I got a really good bait though. That's key. pick that good bait,
Yep.
right size hook, not too big
Nope.
and not too small.
No.
But yeah, no, it was nice, man. Nice to get bit first bait.
Yes, sir. Yeah, it is. Yeah.
First thing in the
No
morning.
tangles,
Haven't even
no-
had my coffee yet.
No, I know. So you walk over there and go, okay, let's just throw one in. Boop.
Yeah.
John's the main man over there at Fisherman's Hardware, Huntington Beach, California. He hooks us up with everything and anything, freshwater and saltwater tackle. Right, John? Just say yeah.
Yeah.
I thought he was right there. Hee-haw. Anyways, you need any tackle and you're in the Orange County area, make sure to hit up Huntington Beach, Fisherman's Hardware.
Oh, like 20 feet.
Working on it. You got it. The old rail technique, folks. Take note. It works. Gets the job done. The old teeter-totter. It sure is.
Hell yeah.
All right. Nice cap.
John?
All right. Little surprise this
Yeah.
morning. That's good. That's good grade stuff right there.
Yeah, dude.
Well, we thought it was a tuna, but thing pulled straight up and down. Usually tuna run a little bit, but nice fish first thing in the morning.
Yes, sir. Come on, Parker. Get it. There, Parker. Don't move. Don't move. Plant your feet. There it is. Here we are. Woo!
I like that.
Nice morning time bluefin there, Parker. Woo. Oh, yeah.
So stuck.
He comes back toward you.
Start winding. Start winding. Start winding. Wind.
Flip. Booyah. Whee! Yeah, all right.
Bottom look.
Butterball.
Another one on the boat for day 2.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Keep it going. Ernie, come down. You're on this fish. This one, Ernie.
Go up and over everyone, Ernie.
Going up?
Up and over everyone, Ernie. Yep, all the way to that corner.
Anything else, TJ?
No, we're all good. We really want to talk about this. So we've got our sponsors on the boat here, and they got up this morning and they couldn't find their coffee cup, and they're all out of sorts. All of a sudden they're casting in the wrong spot. Instead of fishing for something on the surface, they're fishing on the bottom, snagging the bottom. They're fishing some $1 million jig and they really wanted it back right away. So we sat up there for probably 20 minutes trying to break it off and get it free. I'm not sure what happened. Finally, I think enough was talked that the line just got cut and we went back to fishing.
He's talking about this guy. I did get my $1 million jig back, yes, by letting it go loose line.
Follow your line. Come on.
But yeah, Shay's been a wreck this morning. Had a big day yesterday. Big day. Big day.
Over there.
So yeah, day 2. Oh, and I lost a yellowtail too on the yo-yo. He forgot that. It's all good. It's wiped off. Got the jig back. Got my coffee. Take a deep breath. Just pick up the camera. Come down.
Come on, Stumpy. Quit
Crazy.
Alright, there you go. Get him on the reel.
Oh, this is great.
Stick this. No.
There he is.
30 pounds.
30 pounder.
$5 of TJ money.
You got it?
It's only 30 pounds. I got it.
Yeah, 60 pounder.
Where?
Give me my money.
Where's the 60 pounder?
All right, we got Lanny Bendo over here. Well, Mr. West has been red hot all morning.
I'll let him adapt it. That's what everything was fine in the last one, but it was big.
Lanny over here. There you There you go. Alejo's getting done on another one. All right. Right out of the gate.
Good little nap, and look what happens. Everyone's all fired up to yell at each other.
Vinegar and piss.
Piss and vinegar.
Good boy, Lanny. Get him. Get him, buddy.
He's on a roll. That's a 50-pounder right there.
What's going on over here? You on something? Start whining. Start whining. Get some light on. Oh, I think you're on, homie. Fresh one. Fresh one. Ow. Oh, that doubles. Bink, bink. That's bluefin fishing. Papa Binks. Doing good, buddy. Doing good.
Window.
Right here. You're gonna get him right here, Lanny. Lay him out, throw a cappy town, and boom. Woo! All right. All right.
Thank you. Woohoo! Stoked, baby, stoked! Woo! Too tired to say something. Oh my God.
That's some work. Nice teamwork, gentlemen. Nice teamwork. Attaboy, buddy. All right, Jeremy. All right.
Yeah. Phew.
There we go.
Stoked on fishing. Waterman's life.
Yeah,
Let's
baby.
go.
There we go. All right. Nice day. What's going on?
Got a 60-pound.
All right, game time.
Game time.
There you go.
She's the winner.
How does that sound go again?
Shay.
Mug shot.
I either wanted to get it up or break it off.
Was it 30? Was it 30?
Yeah, it's 40.
Good spirit.
Break it down. What happened?
I just want to get it up or break it off, one of the two, but I wasn't going to sit there for 3 hours and fight a 60-pound fish on little gear. Popped out. Nothing broke. Just came out.
Okay.
Happened.
Chapter had to pick between a J hook and a circle hook with these bluefin. What's he picking?
Circle hook. Any day of the week.
Right?
That's right.
And yes, I am stoked on fishing. You know.
Yes. Figured it out. Shot's been putting his time in. He's been putting his time in.
And winning and losing.
Hey, that's part of it, right?
Yeah.
Go forward.
Keep walking out all the way.
Get it.
Fredo, is that you? Is that your line?
Fredo, is that you? There you go. Did your brother do it again?
He did it again. Look at that. Look how big the mess that is. Fredo.
Oh, that's got Fredo written all over
It
it.
does. Fredo, I told you what I told you. Keep your line straight. Stay in front of your line. Know where it's going. But no, you don't.
Unbelievable. Fredo, I cannot believe you. Snags is causing trouble all the time, Fredo. Boo. Woo. Woo. Oh. Oh. Oh, yeah.
Your side. And not in the back.
Woo. Good job. Yeah. Oh, yeah. All right. All right. Woo. Yes, sir.
Stoked, baby.
Coming down the corner.
Hold on, guys. Taking that corner back.
Heads up, gentlemen. Heads up. Just coming in. Heads up, guys. Heads up.
Come back at us. Come back at us. Come back at us. He may have picked you up, bud. He may don't want. Okay, never mind. You're good.
You're clean. You're clean.
Get off the corner, John.
Wind up on the bait rod.
town. Booyah! Whee! Yeah, buddy.
Good job. Thanks, everybody. Wait, no. All done.
Yeah. Yeah. Look at that smile.
Shaka Mahalo. We'll get back on it.
Oh, there he is. There he is. Walking with service.
Let's go. You thirsty? Let's go.
Great job. Almost 40 pounds. That's getting it done right there, folks. Alejo's 12 2-speed, brand new from Akuma. I'll leave it at that. That's badass right there. Almost spooled. Completely thought I was getting spooled. Wow, stoked. What a way to wrap up our 2.5-day Stoked On Fishing charter with epic bluefin tuna fishing. Thanks again to Captain TJ, crew, and everyone who joined us. We'll see you next week. Stoked On Fishing is brought to you by Akuma Fishing Tackle, a global leader in design and manufacturing of high-quality fishing tackle, and by Grundens, delivering on 100 years of performance apparel for the avid salt and freshwater angler, and by Dorado Sport Fishing, 85 feet of deck space for fishermen who want to have some fun in the sun and catch some fish, and by Stoked On Fishing Charters. Fish the local islands and offshore banks out west, or join us on one of our many adventures around the world, and by Suzuki Marine, offering the West Coast the ultimate choice in outboard motors.